Your heart is amazing. It beats about 100,000 times a day. That's over 36 million times a year. It never stops working, not even when you sleep. Your heart pumps blood to every part of your body. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients. Without it, you couldn't live. But many people don't take care of their hearts. They eat junk food, don't exercise, and stress too much. This can lead to heart disease, the #1 killer in many countries. But there's good news, you can change this. Simple changes in your daily life can make a big difference. Eating better, moving more, and stressing less can help. These changes can make your heart stronger and healthier. People who make these changes feel better fast. They have more energy, sleep better, and even look younger. Are you ready to give your heart some love? Let's get started. Nature has given us everything we need for a healthy heart. You don't need pills or surgery to have a strong ticker. Simple, natural methods can work wonders. Let's talk about some of these easy ways to boost your heart health. First up is diet. Whole foods are your heart's best friends. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are great choices. Avoid processed foods and too much sugar. Next, let's talk about stress. Too much stress is bad for your heart. Try natural stress busters like deep breathing or meditation. Even a few minutes a day can help. Yoga is another great option. Lastly, don't forget about sleep. Your heart needs rest too. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Good sleep helps your body repair and recharge. If you have trouble sleeping, try a bedtime routine. Your heart will thank you. Food is medicine for your heart. The right foods can help keep your heart strong and healthy. But what should you eat? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, add more colors to your plate. Colorful fruits and veggies are packed with heart-healthy nutrients. Try to eat a rainbow every day. Next, focus on good fats. Not all fats are bad for you. Your heart loves omega-3 fatty acids. You can find these in fish like salmon and sardines. They're also in nuts and seeds. Avocados are another great source of healthy fats. Use olive oil instead of butter when you cook. Don't forget about fiber. Fiber is great for your heart. It can help lower cholesterol and keep you feeling full. You can find fiber in whole grains, beans, and many fruits and veggies. Lastly, watch out for salt and sugar. Too much of these can hurt your heart. Remember, small changes add up. Start with 1 or 2 changes and build from there. Section 4. Move it or lose it. Exercise for heart health. Exercise is like magic for your heart. It makes your heart stronger and more efficient. But you don't need to be an athlete to get these benefits. Even small amounts of movement can help. The key is to find activities you enjoy. Walking is a great place to start. Try to walk for 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Swimming is another excellent choice for heart health. It's easy on your joints, but gives your heart a great workout. Don't forget about strength training. Building muscle helps your heart too. You don't need fancy equipment. Bodyweight exercises work great. The important thing is to move more and sit less. Section 5. Small changes, big results. Sometimes the thought of making big lifestyle changes can be overwhelming. But here's the secret. Small changes can lead to big results. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start small and build from there. First, drink more water. Many people don't drink enough water. Try to drink a glass of water with each meal. Carry a water bottle with you. Next, take the stairs instead of the elevator. This simple change can give your heart a mini workout every day. Try to stand more and sit less. If you have a desk job, stand up and stretch every hour. Take phone calls standing up. Have walking meetings instead of sitting in a conference room. Lastly, find ways to laugh more. Laughter is good for your heart. It reduces stress and can even lower blood pressure. A happy heart is a healthy heart. Section 6. Your heart's future is in your hands. Your heart's health is not set in stone. You have the power to change it. Every day you make choices that affect your heart. What you eat, how much you move, how you handle stress, all these things matter. The good news is it's never too late to start. Your heart can get stronger at any age. I've seen amazing transformations in my patients. People who thought they were too old or too out of shape to change, but they started small. They made one change, then another. Before they knew it, they had a whole new lifestyle. Their hearts got stronger, their energy improved. Remember, your heart works hard for you every day. Treat it well, and it will serve you for years to come. Make it a healthy one.